Hey guys, here I am again. I think this is video number 7 or 8 this morning. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating my signature full system conversion. This is where I convert both the radio and the 8-Track for optimum performance. The 8-Track no longer uses its 50-year-old scratchy amplifiers. It now uses the radio's superior and brand new amplifiers because this radio has a new harness in place of the original connectors, which means it's got a heck of a lot more output power. So the 8-Track is going to have a really good sound with that extra power. So Graham has sent this in. This comes from Graham in Georgetown, Tennessee, and the units are out of, at least the radio is out of a 68 Cadillac Eldorado. The 8-Track may have been purchased later because it looks like it's almost in brand new condition. But at any rate, I got them both working together, so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and check out the AM. I have this radio set to AM to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio. So here we go, AM radio.
Directions at the intersection with Main Street. Work is scheduled to start at 9 tonight. It will include replacement of traffic and pedestrian
I'm going to adjust the virtual left-right balance and the virtual front-rear fader. Okay, front-rear fader.
Noise and temporary traffic delays. Drivers and pedestrians are asked to follow all posted signs and use caution.
Okay, yeah, we want to start with the tone control in about the center position for these to
contact Public
to activate the virtual functions.
Summit at
So here we go.
928-340-2769. Construction is expected to be completed by fader adjust.
Go.
For reporting.
Okay, all the way front.
In KQNA Sports,
Rear.
the Arizona
Front.
Diamondbacks were shut out by
Rear.
the San Diego Padres 1-0
Center.
yesterday afternoon. Game 3 against
Fader set.
Okay,
Right.
now we're going to adjust the left-right balance. Same procedure, except we turn our tone control twice to the left.
That's your news. I'm Greg Pohl for KQNA.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Prescott 95.5
Left.
FM and Prescott
Right.
Valley and Cottonwood 11:30 a.m. and everywhere by downloading the
Okay.
free AZ
Center those.
Hometown Radio mobile app. Remember to
Balance set.
Okay, now we're going to change over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. So now we're on AM. So here we go. Off on. Now we're on FM, and I have all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test.
Exciting as riding a bull. I've been breaking my back.
Okay, let's try the 8-Track.
KVRD.
Rain from my eyes till I met you. You're the Natasha by the tree. Got a one-way flight. Now I've lost my it's just like my prayer is you. I'll be
Okay, pull the tape out, the radio comes back, and there is no, the customer did not include the dial light, so we've got this orange wire here on the new harness. If the customer has a dial light, then that would connect to this orange wire. And so that takes care of that. Everything is working. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to probably some breakfast. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And off the homepage of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that is all in the work order. It'll answer those questions as you're filling it out. Once you have a work order in your hand, you're welcome to call me, even if it's just because you want to get to know me for a couple of minutes and trust me, stuff like that. That's perfectly okay, but I'm just not able to answer the same 15-minute barrage of questions from each new customer. It takes me off the bench where the work gets done. I don't get any work done on the phone, guys, so please do that research before calling me. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Graham, for your business once again all the way from Georgetown, Tennessee, and he's also mentioned he's got another one that he's going to send me soon, so that's pretty cool. And we'll see you guys next time.